Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm gonna go over the maintenance due now for any of the Honda Pilot or Honda Odyssey or Honda Ridgeline, and this might be referred to Acura MDX and then TLX as well. So as you see, I got the maintenance due now. B136. B is to change the oil and then oil filter. 1 is to rotate your tires, okay? And 3, that is to service your transmission fluid and transfer case oil or the fluid. And then 6 is to change the differential fluid on the back of your axles. So yeah, let's go ahead and show you guys where all the plugs at. I'll be doing like a separate video to show you guys the oil change and then transmission and then the transfer case. By the way, you also need to change transmission filter. You need to remove the center splash guard on the front under the bumper. So yeah, let's go ahead and pop it up, the hood, and show you guys all the fuel plug, the level plug, drain plugs. So yeah, we over here at the front of the vehicle, the front bumper. We're gonna go under it and then show you guys all the plugs at, okay? So right here you see like a oil pan right here. That is the oil drain plug right there for your oil. And if you move to the right from the front view, the first one right here, this is your transmission fluid drain plug right here, okay? And if you go further down, that is your transfer case drain plug. And if you go up right here, that is your transfer case fill plug right there. And then your oil filter is locating on the passenger side. Right there. So now we're gonna pop the hood. So this is your hood right here, in your engine cover, your air intake that filter right there. I'm gonna turn the flash so I can show you guys a better view. Alright, so you look at the right hand side of the cover right here. And then you see down there, that is your fill plug for your transmission fluid. By the way, this is a 9-speed transmission fluid. It is ATF 3.1. As you can see the sticker. It says Honda ATF 3.X. By the way, if you have a 6-cylinder, you will need to use a DW1. Make sure you get the correct transmission fluid. So this is only applied for the 9-speed transmission we're talking about here, okay? Alright, so for the level plug, This is the driver's side wheel. You need to remove it if you actually going to use a level plug. It's very hard to see, but it's all the way in there. Let me go around this wheel. So there it is right there. And that is the 516 again. Okay, now we are on the back of the car, the Honda Pilot. By the way, this is the Honda Pilot Elite. We're gonna show you guys a differential fluid. So yeah, this is the rear differential right here. There's your drain plug right there. And then the fill plug. It is better to remove this spare tire. You see the middle hole right there? That's where is your fill plug is going to be at. Let me see if I can get under there. Right here. Make sure you can see it. And you need to rotate your tire. Since these are the front wheel drive, as you can see, the tire is worn out on the front. Compared to the one in the back. This is the back tire. Looks like almost like a brand new still. So I'll need to rotate the tire from the back to the front. Okay. By the way, I'm not sure if the 9-speed transmission has the transmission filter or not. I tried to look on the engine bay side, but I don't see any. But you might remove the splash guard first. And the problem is when we remove the whole splash guard, you need to remove all the screws and everything. So let me show you guys the splash guard, right? So you don't need to remove the small piece right here on the corner. This is the main piece, which is very big piece all the way. And you don't need to remove that side right there either. So there's like a rivets, plastic mounting, and some of the screw that you need to unscrew, a whole bunch of it right here in order to remove the panel. Some of those fastener, again, plastic fastener. And there's a Phillips type. And then another screw right here, whole bunch of screws mixed up with the fastener and everything. So yeah, anyway, that's how you service your B136. And hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next video. Bye always. Peace.